Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So you can see I've got a slightly different backdrop for today's video, and that is because I needed to use natural lighting in order to show off this coin's true beauty. Now, this was a regular silver maple that I put inside my new leather wallet for around about 3 weeks, and this is how it turned out. So really nice toning on there. There's purples, there's blues. This side there's also some purples and blues. It's actually quite hard to pick it up even with daylight, but really turned out really nice. It's got a bit of brown on it as well. So yeah, really interesting to see. If I come around this way a little bit, you're going to see you've got some blues there, some purples. Really interesting colours on this coin. So what I've decided to do is I've decided to put a Britannia, a silver Britannia, into my leather wallet, and then we will come back. There you go, that's quite a good angle to show you the colours on it. Like I said, it's quite hard to pick up unless you're looking at this coin in person, but really nice toning on it. Just looks really beautiful, really interesting effect. Let's just do a close up on this side as well. You can see it's got blues, it's got purples. Just looks really interesting. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do the same again with a silver Britannia. We'll leave it in my wallet for 3 weeks, and then we will take the coin out and we'll see if it has the same effect as the silver maple. But really nice looking toning on this coin. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think this coin will be worth slightly more now because it's got these nice colours on it, or do you think it's devalued the coin because of the toning? Interesting to hear your thoughts. Bit of a different video. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a nice day.